Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning my dear students, and welcome to all in online classes in Divisional Public School and College, Sahiwal. My name is Saima Ramzan and today I am going to teach you mathematics of class 3. And its learning objectives are: by the end of this lesson you will be able to multiplying by 10, multiplying by multiples of 10. इस लेसन के इख्तिताम पर आप इस काबिल हो जाएंगे कि आप किसी भी नंबर को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकेंगे और 10 के मल्टीपल से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकेंगे. Do you remember what are these? You have read about them in your previous classes. Yes, think about it. Yes, these are tables of 0 and 1. Very good. So I have some questions. Can you give the answer of them? My first question is, what happens when we multiply any number by 0? Think about it. कि जब हम किसी भी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, then what answer comes? Do you know the answer? Yes, 0. Wow, amazing. You have given right answer. So there is a star for you, as you have given right answer. I have one more question for you. What happens when we multiply any number by 1? Raise your hand for giving answer. Can you tell me the answer? जब हम किसी भी नंबर को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो क्या आंसर आता है? Think about it. Yes, the number comes itself. So there is a star for you. You have given right answer. The topic of today about which we are going to discuss, that is multiplication. Do you know what is this symbol? क्या आप जानते हैं ये symbol कौन सा है? Yes, this symbol is of multiplication. And its contents are: number 1 is here, multiplying by 10, and number 2 is here, multiplying by multiples of 10. First of all, we will discuss about multiplying by 10. So let's explain this with the help of examples. Example number 1 is here. We have to multiply 7 by 10. As you know that 10 is equal to 1 tens, 0 ones. It means that we are going to multiply 7 by 1 tens and 0 ones. So there are two steps for solving this. Step number 1 is here. First of all, we will multiply 7 by 0. हम 7 को 0 से multiply करेंगे. 7 zeros are 0. Okay? And we will put this 0 at 1's place. Now, the step number 2. In step number 2, what you have to do? You will multiply 7 by 1. 7 ones are 7. And we will put this 7 at 10's place. So when we will multiply 7 by 10, and we will get the answer 70. Okay? There is also second method for solving this. You can also read the table of 7 up to 10. When you will read the table of 7 up to 10, you will get the answer 7 tens are 70. And also you can read the table of 10 up to 7. And you will get the answer 10 sevens are 70. Okay? Have you clear now how to multiply by 10? Let's see the second example. In second example, we have 23. And we have to multiply 23 by 10. As you know that 10 is equal to 1 tens, 0 ones. It means that we are going to multiply 23 by 1 tens and 0 ones. There are also two steps for solving this. In the step number 1, what you have to do? You have to multiply 23 by 0 and you will get the answer 23 zeros are 0 and you will put this 0 at 1's place. Okay? And in step number 2, what you have to do? In step number 2, you have to multiply 23 by 1. And when you will multiply 23 by 1, you will get the answer 23 ones are 23. And in 23, you will put 3 at 10's place and 2 at 100 place. And the number becomes 230. So it means that when you will multiply 23 by 10, you will get the answer 230. Okay? So let's see the third example. In example number 3, we have 493 multiplied by 10. So how to multiply this? There are also 2 steps for solving this. You will multiply 493 by 0 in first step and you will get the answer 0. And you will put this 0 at 1's place. Okay? Now, in second step you have to multiply 493 by 1. आप 493 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, then you will get the answer 493 ones are 493. And in 493, you will put this 3 at 10's place, 9 at 100 place and 4 at 1000 place. So it means that when you will multiply 493 by 10, you will get the answer 4930. Okay, is it clear now? So how to multiply any number by 10? Now we will discuss about multiplying by multiples of 10. What are these? These are multiples of 10. Do you know about multiples? Okay, I tell you. Multiples are those numbers which are divided by another number exactly. वो numbers जो दूसरे number से completely divide हो जाते हैं और उनका remainder 0 आता है, तो उन numbers को दूसरे numbers का multiples कहेंगे. जैसा कि यहाँ देखें, ये तमाम numbers 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 और 90 ये तमाम numbers 10 से divide होते हैं और इनका remainder 0 आता है. So these numbers are multiple of 10. So let's see how to multiply any number by the multiples of 10. Let's see the example number 1. We have 6 multiply 20. Do you know what is 20 here? Remember this? 20 is the multiple of 10. Okay? So 20 is the multiple of 10. And we are going to multiply 6 with the multiple of 10. As you know here, 20 is equal to 2 tens and 0 1. It means that we are going to multiply 6 by 2 tens and 0 1s. So how to multiply? There are also 2 steps for solving this. In the first step, you have to multiply 6 by 0 and you will get the answer 6 zeros are 0. Now, in second step, you have to multiply 6 by 2. Okay? जब आप 6 को 2 से multiply करेंगे, then you will get the answer 6 2s are 12. And you will write here 0 at 1's place, 2 at 10's place and 1 at 100 place. Okay? So what is answer when you will multiply 6 by 20? 120. So let's see the second example. And the second example is here 15 multiply 30. Do you know what is 30 here? 30 is the multiple of 10. We are going to multiply 15 by multiple of 10. There are also 2 steps for solving this. First of all, in first step you have to multiply 15 by 0 and you will get the answer 15 zeros are 0 and you will put this 0 at 1's place. And then in second step you have to multiply 15 by 3. As you have read about it that how to multiply 2-digit number by 1-digit number. So when you will multiply 15 by 3 in second step, what answer you will get? 15 3s are 45. And in 45 you have to put 5 at 10's place and 4 at 100 place. So when you will multiply 15 by 30 and you will get the answer 450. Okay, is it clear? Now it's time for recapitulation. Today we have discussed how to multiply any number by 10 and how to multiply any number by multiples of 10. आज हमने डिस्कस किया कि हम किसी भी नंबर को 10 से कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और किसी भी नंबर को 10 के मल्टीपल्स से कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. सो नाउ देयर आर सम क्वेश्चंस फॉर यू एंड यू हैव टू गिव मी द आंसर. माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हियर 39 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10. आपने 39 को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. डू यू नो हाउ मेनी स्टेप्स आर देयर? आई हैव टोल्ड यू नाउ देयर आर 2 स्टेप्स. वन स्टेप इज हियर कि आप सबसे पहले 39 को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. एंड व्हाट इज आंसर व्हेन यू विल मल्टीप्लाई 39 बाय 0? यस, गुड, 0. 39 zeros are 0 and you will write here 0 at 1's place. Good. Now what is the second step? In second step you have to multiply 39 by 1. Second step में आप क्या करेंगे? 39 को 1 से multiply करेंगे. And what is answer? 39 ones are? Good, 39. And in 39 you will write here 9 at 10's place and 3 at 100 place. So when you will multiply 39 by 10 you will get the answer 390. My second question is here. You have to multiply 2 by 60. What is 60 here? Yes, 60 is a multiple of 10. अब आप 2 को 10 के मल्टीपल से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So how to multiply this one? आप 2 को सबसे पहले 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. And what is answer? 0. Good. अब सेकंड स्टेप में आपने क्या करना है? 2 को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. And when you will multiply 2 by 6, 2 6 are 12. Good. So what is answer here? When you multiply 2 by 60, answer is 120. Very good, my dear students. I hope you have cleared the points that how to multiply any number by 10 and how to multiply any number by multiples of 10. This is an assessment for you. In this there is a given question. Circle the correct answer. आपने correct answer को circle करना है. Number 1 question is here. 51 multiply by 10. आप 51 को 10 से multiply करेंगे और जो राइट आंसर होगा आप उसको सर्कल करेंगे. ठीक है. नाउ नंबर 2 इज हियर 10 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 69. आप 10 को 69 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे या आप 69 को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करें, बोथ हैव द सेम आंसर. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द आंसर इन द ऑप्शंस एंड विच ऑप्शन विल बी राइट. यू हैव टू सर्कल दैट. एंड थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज हियर. You have to multiply 42 by 30. अब 42 को 30 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और जो आंसर आएगा वो इस ऑप्शंस में आप फाइंड आउट करेंगे और उसे सर्कल करेंगे. ओके. नाउ देयर इज अ होम असाइनमेंट फॉर यू. You have to do practice of exercise 2C, question number 5 and 6 of page number 70 of Oxford Countdown Book 3, 3rd edition. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.